damn am I happy for what we're about to unbox. And all my fucking cans just fell. Okay. So, this thing was supposed to come Sunday. It came on Saturday. So now, we get to open it. Oh, yep, everything's gonna be falling. Okay. Now we move it. Just so I can, actually get it open. And then, so we can get this beautiful motherfucker out of the box. Johnny motherfucking Silverhand. Legend of Night City. Hell yeah. McFarlane, I hope you did this character justice with how good this figure is. Because some of these endings in the game aren't that great. Now we open. Come on, open. Ah. Then we let them out. The Malo. Okay, let's get him out of this little chamber thing. Come on. Ah, God. Fuck. Did I cut myself? Nah, we good. So I'm just gonna do what I usually do real quick. So having the figure out of the box, I don't have many complaints. It's somewhat of the colors, but why is the Malorian silver and black? I know the silver part, but where's the red on it? Because I don't think Morgan Blackhand had it. But the bag I also remember being a bit shinier in the game. But I am happy with the darker bag because I can use it for other things. And it has the samurai emblem, so hell yeah. But overall, it's a great figure. I messed with some of the articulation. It's great for articulation. But I wish we also got a head sculpt of Keanu. So, Johnny without the glasses on. And also, I can't fit the bag in his silver hand. So, but that's all. Thank you all for watching. Pick up the figure if you like Cyberpunk.